Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious burger upma, a creative and satisfying meal. This dish combines the comforting flavors of traditional upma with the fun presentation of a burger. We will start by gathering our ingredients, including 1 cup of semolina, 2 cups of water, and fresh vegetables. You will also need a few key spices for tempering, ensuring a flavorful base for our unique patties. Let's get cooking. Now, let's craft the heart of our burger, the upma patties. Begin by dry roasting 1 cup of semolina until it's fragrant and a light golden color. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee in a pan and add your tempering spices, allowing them to splutter. Sauté 1 chopped onion, 2 green chilies, and a sprig of curry leaves until the onion is soft. Pour in 2 cups of boiling water with 1 teaspoon of salt, then slowly add the roasted semolina, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Once cooked, let it cool slightly, then form 4 firm, half-inch thick patties. With our upma patties ready, let's prepare the other essential burger elements. Lightly toast 4 burger buns until they are golden brown, adding a pleasant crunch. Slice 1 large tomato and 1 medium onion into thin rounds, perfect for layering. For a quick sauce, combine 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise with 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. If you like, add a slice of cheese to each patty for extra richness. Finally, cook your upma patties in a lightly oiled pan for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, until they are beautifully golden and heated through. It's time for the exciting part, assembly. Take your toasted burger buns and spread a generous amount of your prepared sauce on both halves. Place a warm, golden upma patty onto the bottom half of each bun. Now, layer with fresh tomato slices, crisp onion rings, and a vibrant lettuce leaf. If you chose to add cheese, ensure it's melted slightly over the warm patty. Finally, top with the other half of the bun. Serve your delightful burger upma immediately, perhaps with a side of your favorite chutney or ketchup. Enjoy this unique and flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.